What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. So today I am in Abraka, and I'm actually in Abraka Turf Club and Resort. So this resort is kind of like a very big resort here in Abraka, and I'm here today to explore this resort with you guys. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Go get any refreshment you can lay your hands on. Let's explore this amazing, beautiful resort. As you can already see, the landscape is very extremely beautiful. So together we're going to do this one. So guys, get a refreshment you can lay your hands on this one. So let's do this one together. Let's go. So guys, that's the restaurant. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, nice. So guys, check out this. Oh, this is beautiful. Is it for guests only?
For guests.
Oh, for guests only. You guys are serve our morning breakfast.
We don't do complimentary. If you want to make use of that, we don't do complimentary breakfast.
Okay.
But if you want to, you order, then you come to the restaurant. But we don't also do
Okay.
service.
We don't do room service.
We don't do service.
So there's a piano. No. Okay. All right.
Sell wine.
It's nice antifacts.
Sell wine.
Okay.
There's wine.
Is it foreign wine?
Yes, for wine.
Nice. It's beautiful.
For adults, for children.
Okay. So this is the swimming pool you guys talking about?
Yes. Well, we have those that you feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they are working on the bridge. It's a wooden. They are working on.
What happened to it? Okay.
It's a wooden bridge.
Ah.
So because of the rain, it's not strong again. So they are working on it.
Hope I can be able to like
Access it.
get a quick, view of the place. That's actually one of the reasons why I wanted to visit.
This is the library.
Okay. Oh, nice. So it's a library.
Yes, the book is inside.
The shelf. So guys, check out the library. So that's the bookshelf. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, very nice. Okay. Cinema room.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the cinema room. The game house.
Yes.
Okay. It's actually fun to be two.
Yes.
And this kind of store. That way you get to enjoy the experience very well. Nice. The darts. Okay. So guys, they have the darts, table tennis, and a snooker board, and chairs also. Nice. So guys, that's the lawn tennis court. So how long have here been in existence? Any idea?
20 years plus now.
20 years.
Yes,
Okay.
more than 20 years.
Oh, that's nice.
That's our room.
Okay, the lodge.
Yes.
When is the busiest time here? Like when you come around as
Easter period.
Easter period, holiday period.
Yes, holiday period, Christmas period also.
Okay. Okay.
Every Easter they do the polo tournament.
Okay.
Polo game. So where you use us to play for
I know the game.
every Easter.
Okay, every Easter.
Yes, it's every Easter. But we didn't do it this year.
Like how much is at stake?
That I can't.
Because I heard that game, that sport is for the rich people, like for the wealthy,
It's not
wealthy
just
people.
well, it's for mostly for our members.
Okay.
Yes.
To become a full-time member, like what does it cost? I mean, like the procedure and all that.
Okay, you send a mail to us, then the manager will respond by sending you the pre-membership form.
Okay.
So after filling, you send it to us, we verify you, we check your details.
Okay.
Then before we now send you the membership form. Yes. The registration fee is 200,000, then yearly is 100,000.
Okay.
So with that one, there's only for you to be paying that 7,000 when you want to come.
Okay.
Yes, and there will be discounts in the accommodation, activities,
okay.
the food.
Yeah.
Then if you can come with your friends weekend,
Okay.
or you have to pay that.
For the friends?
Yes, you have to pay the 7,000 for your friends.
Okay. So what's the, like, I'm trying to figure out like the benefit of the 100,000 yearly apart from the gaining entrance.
If your friends are coming, there will be a discount for them.
Okay.
Yes, there will be discount for them also. For you don't have to pay for that.
Again,
anytime you want to come,
you just come.
Yes.
But if I want to lodge, I will lodge, but there will be a discount
for the rooms.
For the rooms, yeah.
Yes, but no need for you to pay that 7,000
naira. So I can come at any time, use the swimming pool, use the game room.
Yes, without paying that 7,000.
That's interesting. Okay. Any fish?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Yeah, I can see them there. They're so little. Yeah. So that's the lake over there. What about the golf? Are they still playing golf? Yeah.
Yes, playing golf.
Do they host like something like a tournament?
For the golf.
Or just like for members?
Just for members, even for non-members, if you know how to play. That one too is a separate fee.
Okay.
This is the lake.
You can go across, right?
Yes, you can.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. I was thinking that the lake ended here, but it stands to this place. That's beautiful. So guys, check it out. Where? Okay. What happened to that canoe? You guys are just abandoned it. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. They're using it.
So guys, I don't know whether you guys can see, there are some little fishes in the lake. Not that big, not Eboh. I'm doing this talk with you, and I don't actually know your name.
My name is Blessing.
Blessing, okay. So is this Gate of Heaven?
It's like a secret garden.
Wow.
Or the orchid garden.
The orchid garden.
Yes.
I can smell love in the air. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, check out this place. Well, I can't really believe this is Nigeria. So guys, like, I don't know, sir. I don't know how to begin my expression. Like, this place is way out of Nigeria. Like, you hardly believe this is Nigeria. Like, when someone takes pictures here without tagging a location, in my mind I would basically think that the person is outside Nigeria. Like, I've no idea that there is such a beautiful place like this. Okay, The door is locked. Okay. So this is built for what? What's this for? Picture or what?
For pictures.
Okay, for pictures. Oh.
But here when they started this
The building.
yeah.
You want to open it?
Yes, for you. Yes.
You should have something like handle.
No, we have some signatures here.
At the back of the wall.
Yes, there is one flat board here.
Okay, it's okay. We'll leave that for another day. So guys, this out here is for y'all lovers. Like my guy said, if you want to have a very special lunch or dinner, it's a nice location to set up a tent and enjoy the beautiful atmosphere, the air, the breeze, and the serenity of this place. It's all surrounded with lake. Very beautiful. So guys, we keep on going. So we have to check out that place. I'm seeing some interesting plants here. So guys, let's climb up. Let's see how this place looks like. Okay, it's not yet set. It says actually for what?
Dinner, special lunch.
Special dinner and special lunch, breakfast. It has an extra price, or what? If you remember, you can access it.
No, extra price.
Extra price. Wow.
Or a discount for
Members, okay. In this life, guys, make a lot of money to enjoy the good things of life, because there seems to be a price tag for everything that is good in life. So guys, check out the decorations. So that's some Ankara African fabrics for the decoration, and that's some chandelier. Looks like an African craft. So look from the tower, you can see the resort looking very beautiful. Okay, I think we're good. Nice. The toilet, is it working?
Yes, but it's not.
Okay.
The only one we have guests, I want to use it.
Okay, you cleaning up. Oh, nice. So what was here?
It's our massaging place.
Massaging
Well,
place.
Spa, but it's not in order.
Oh, it's not in order. So I can't.
No, you can't access.
Okay.
The thing fell, so they are standing.
Okay.
Water fountain.
Okay.
Every Christmas. And sister.
Okay. So this is kind of like a garden or what?
Yes. This place is for special dinner, breakfast.
Wow.
Want to have a quiet time to read.
Love in the air.
Yes,
Love in the air. Wow. Very beautiful place. Guys, check out the trees, long trees, for a good shade. Okay guys, I used to be a clothes here, right?
Yes, I'm
Yeah, for sewing.
You want to have a quiet time to read.
Yeah. Oh,
Set it up also.
it's nice. Very nice, beautiful.
Special lounge dinner.
Just all fun.
Yes, and it's colored light.
Colored light. Oh, this place is very beautiful in the night.
Yes.
I would like to witness that. Nice. All right. Is that a craft?
Yes.
So guys, this is the water fountain. That's of service for now. So what's caged here?
This is where we put the teacup.
Okay. So guys, let's check out the truck men. They're waiting for us. Oh, nice art. Basically, you guys already know that I love art, so anytime I see an artwork, I'm really interested. So actually, this is a very creative artwork here. Very beautiful. Valhalla, number Valhalla. Oh, no Wahala. Okay, no Wahala. Yeah. Nice. Okay.
You like it, but there's no way. The wooden bridge is bad.
Is there a way that we can like get closer to you so I could
No,
see the
you
water?
can't. It's like a 40 minutes walk.
40 minutes?
Yes.
That's far. So this place is that big? So guys, like I told you guys earlier, that almost all around Abraka you get to see the river Ethiop, and here there is a river Ethiop around this resort, but unfortunately like we cannot access the river because of some because of a bridge cut, like the guard said. So I think that would be for another day. It's actually a very beautiful site because I once saw that site, I think, online. So it's actually very beautiful that when you get closer to it, it looks so unreal. So I would have loved to share this experience with you guys, but it is what it is, so we'll leave it for another day.
It's like you want to book for like a reception.
Okay.
Yes, the book.
Okay, it's allowed to do such
yes,
thing here.
It's allowed.
But the money will be something
yes,
else.
The money is.
To be something else. That's for the people that can afford it. It's actually a very beautiful place to do such. So this is a lodge, right?
Yes.
So guys, check out the lodge. So what kind of lodge do you have here?
We have the single rooms, the chalets, the detached, the duplex, and the bungalow.
And the bungalow. Any idea like the prices, the cost?
The single room is 25,000 per night.
Okay.
The chalet is 30,000 per night.
Okay.
The detached is 35. The duplex is 5,400. The bungalow is 76,650 per night. At the front of the.
Oh, this is nice. So when you lodge, you just have the whole place for yourself.
Yes.
How does the single this thing looks like? The single or it's not?
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yes.
Two people can share it.
Yes, two can share. The chalet is a bed and a mini parlor.
Yeah.
Attached to it.
Okay.
The detached is a bed, a mini parlor, but the detached is 35. So the furniture in that detached is different from the one in chalet and the single rooms. While the duplex is like a loft, a bed up and a bed down.
Okay.
While the bungalow is a 3-bedroom apartment.
Okay.
It has its own dining.
It has electronic like TV and the rest of them.
Yes.
Okay,
In
nice.
the parlor, not in the bedroom.
Okay. What about like hot shower?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
The bungalow have a bathtub.
Oh.
Yes.
Nice. So guys, we have here the fish pond, right?
Yes.
Any fishes?
Yes, there is. There is of the water.
Okay. When you spread the feed now, you get to know. Interesting. What do you guys don't have here?
We have everything.
You have everything.
We have the canyon, we have the pedal.
Oh my god. Everything. You guys have everything here.
We have the spa, we have the gym room, the studio room,
the game house,
the cinema room.
Oh my god.
Room.
You can literally spend like 1 month here without realizing. So guys, as you can see, I'm really enjoying the time of my life here. Guys, you guys need to visit here. Abraka Club Top. Oh my god. Abraka Top Club. Yeah, sorry. So guys, you guys need to visit here. As in like, I'm exploring this place. I don't know what to do. Like, there's a lot of things to do. I think after here, I'm going to do the quad bike. I wanted to do the horse ride, but the staffs in charge of that on break. So now I'm going to try the quad bike. That would be like my third time trying the quad bike, because I did that I think at Makati Beach. So this will be another big space for me to do a quad bike. So guys, keep on enjoying this one. Let me keep on feeling myself. Bye bye. So guys, right now I'm going to try the quad. I'm going to try the quad bike. It's actually a very open space to ride a quad bike in its fullest. So I'm pumped for this. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna give you guys a quick video of me riding a quad bike. So guys, I hope you guys are really enjoying your time here. As you can see, it's a very beautiful place, beautiful resort. Make sure you visit. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. Look at the land. Oh, nice. Wow, this is so beautiful. I feel like I'm somewhere in Berlin or somewhere in Paris. So beautiful. Oh, nice. So I have my special beautiful tour guide here. So she was the one that took me around. Very friendly person. Like, I really appreciate your time with me. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, definitely I'm coming back again.
All right. Forward to see you next
All right, thank you very much. So guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys have really enjoyed, you know, this place. This place has a lot of quality, you know, facilities, like things that you can enjoy yourself with. Like, it's a very good spot for a good vacation, good holiday with your family and friends, like children, you know, compatibility and all that kind of stuff. So guys, I think that's it for today, and I'm really enjoying the time of our life, and I will see you guys when next time I upload. And if you like this video, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Got it? Let's go.
Okay, don't call your complex.